Okay, so then take your time with this story now. How did you link with Matterhorn to even voice Dutty Wine? Because did he have his big songs before that? Or was he really voicing songs before Dutty Wine?
No, Matterhorn dubbed them. It's me and Karim used to mix them.
Mm-hmm.
So Matterhorn is the first person who made me even see US.
Yeah.
And Canadian money. Like, Matterhorn was the one who come out of the studio and say, yo, mix them dub here for me. Because him get dub all day now. So he would just fall out of the studio and say, mix them dub here for me. And him the H, the money get US. You see me, and as a liquor youth, you get paid in US to mix a dub. Come on, bro.
Yeah.
Where I live good. You see me? So Matterhorn was the daddy. Matterhorn is the daddy. You get me? So Matterhorn now him have me and Karim mix it dub them, and then once we mix it now regular, him come back and him say, come, more you punch out the rhythm, yes sir. Punch out the rhythm, yes sir. Give him back the rhythm, yes sir. Cut out the whole rhythm, yes sir. Make a cappella, then drop back the rhythm, yes sir. Really. Matterhorn had so many ideas, bro. And he was like, yo, change the rhythm, yes sir. Like, he was like, yo, Matterhorn crazy with it, bro. He had so many ideas. And Karim and I were just the ones to execute anything that Matterhorn thought up in that brain of his. Because he had all the acapellas, and we had all the rhythms, the computers, the programs, everything. So we were just doing the do.
It was a good partnership. He had the link, you knew how to do it, so it just worked for everybody.
So he actually played a role in teaching me how to, mix dubs, songs, just, putting out music out there, because he knew what the crowd wanted and he knew how to execute. So he just tell us what to do and we just do it the way he do. Because Matterhorn never really, he wasn't a computer savvy person he is now.
He knew what was in his mind.
Yes.
He just needed somebody that could deliver on what he had in his mind.
Which was the same thing when I was doing Dutty Wine with him. It was in my head.
Yeah.
And then those guys executed it because I knew Serrani could build. I knew Serrani he was good at making happy rhythms.
Yeah.
Because from I heard that Seika, I was like, yo, this guy known to make the happy rhythm them. They have the sounds. And then Jack Neal, I believe in Jack Neal. So I knew that linking up with two of them, it would be like, the masterpiece is done. And so I said, so done. You get me? And then now this.
So Dutty Wine, how did you guys come up with this song here now? This is a monumental, listen, you know how many artists in their career wish they had a song like Dutty Wine?
Matterhorn used to play in Mobile a lot. And he used to play at enough of the skin out event them, where the girl them chuck off of the building.
The Dutty Fridays and those type of stuff there.
That was Matterhorn like vibes. Like he used to play enough of those things. So him come up here, I think he saw that the girls had a new dance. And every time him go there and him play the tune him and him say, yo, man, I have to build a tune for this. It's too bad. So Matterhorn know him build the tune now, but Matterhorn had all the equipment at his house. So him literally build the tune piece. At him yard, advise himself little. Till him had the tune, then him say, Supa, listen this. When me hear, me say, Bomba clad dog, this mad. By the same night, him say, yo, me I got Mobile tonight, that's why I make sure I done it. And him go Mobile now, play the song, get the video, and the audio. Cause you know them time when they really have much video, audio we are watching it.
For sure.
Audio we are listening, so we listen about the audio and we see the video. When you see the way the girl them crowd round and the way the place mash up, you say to yourself, the song just vibes since night. What the fuck? Then me comes now, and I don't know where I went. 2 nights after that. Cause I said that was the Saturday. The Monday me there Susie's, Or no, like the Saturday night me play somewhere too. I'ma drop it. Same effect. The one girl started going crazy and all the girls crowd on until it was just like the whole dance just surround one girl. And then all the girls them start doing like, a competition now, who can do it the best. And then it happened the Monday, the Tuesday, everywhere we go, this was the effect. Everywhere we go. So we said, no, so this shit viral now. Because everywhere we got the same thing. All them girls trying to break their necks. Like, what the fuck? They're trying to swing the shit out of their neck. Bro, all the girls them start get hairdo now for swing. Every girl start get a hairdo now so when Dutty Wine play them can swing. Yo, brother.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.